Hey, so this is Fabio Gomez with JD Lending. A lot of people are asking me about the down payment assistance with the county. So I'm just going to break this down to 5 parts. There's a lot of things involved, but I'm just break it down to you realtors so that you know when you speak to your clients, what is it that you're offering. Number one, it is not a second mortgage. There's no interest rate on it. There's no payment on it. It is a grant. Okay. So once you qualify, depending on your income, dependents, people who are working in the house, that will determine how much money you get. And yes, it is 30, 40, up to $50,000 per family to purchase a home. Okay, so number two, you do have to qualify with credit. The good news is you don't need to have a 700 credit score, 690. You have to have a minimum 640. So everyone that is on the mortgage has to have a minimum of 640 credit score. Again, it's income based, how much money you actually get. Also depends on how many dependents. They will take in factor in like child support and things of that nature. The other thing is if you are self-employed, the same applies. You do have to qualify with your self-employed adjusted gross income. So number three, it's going to be processed by a separate bank. So you can go to any bank. The down payment assistance is provided. I think it's a statewide benefit. It's a grant. So the process is first get qualified with a lender. Find out more or less what the payment's going to be. The lender who is already certified to be able to give you advice on these down payment assistance, they'll give you an idea of what your down payment amount is going to be. Using that, they calculate what your payment is going to be. You have to qualify that on the FHA scale, more like on a conventional scale. So the payment has to conform to Fannie Mae guidelines, and it's mostly because of the ratios, debt to income ratios. It's more like a conventional loan. The great thing also about this, number four, is you're not limited to single family homes. So in Orange County, if you were to say, well, the maximum sales price is $340, there's certain areas where you're not going to find a home for that value, but sometimes you'll find a condominium, a villa, or a townhouse. So guess what? Because it's not an FHA loan, it's a conventional loan, you can actually buy a townhouse, a condominium, and a villa, if not a single family home. And yes, this maximum sales price, at least for this year, is $340K in the Orange County area. So the process is, first you speak to a lender, get pre-qualified. From there, if the lender finds that you do qualify for it, the second thing to do is to go to the class. It is an 8-hour class, and for the most part, it's not really done online. I think there is an option to do it online, but most people just go for the whole day. They usually provide lunch. You can move in from another county to here, and I think the fee is $50, something like that. If, in fact, you live in Orange County and you want to stay in Orange County, I believe there is no fee for that. So that's a plus there. So this is, again, first-time home buyers. There's a requirement for that. And it really is a huge benefit because it's going to be a first-time home buyer deal, and it's going to get you out of the rental. Now, this is offered by the county, those lenders that are qualified to be able to coordinate these two things. It's not everyone, but we are. And actually, we have a team of people that specialize in processing this. Most people, most loan officers that are not familiar with it are going to have to process both the down payment assistance package and the loan package at the same time. In my case, I have a great team behind me that's going to be doing both things for you. So you just worry about keeping your credit rating up, make sure that you're paying everything on time, and make sure that you're ready once we need some documents from you. There is a lot of documents. There's actually more documents required for the down payment assistance than the actual loan. Okay, so we'll walk you through that. My contact information is right below this video. Hope this has been helpful for you. You can reach me at 321-948-4021, Fabio Gomez with JD Lending. Have a great day.